Hello everyone, let's get started with today's thought. Never give up because great things take time, so be patient. Here is the diagram which shows electric circuit. There are four components in electric circuit: key, conducting wire, bulb and a cell. Here this key is open, so the circuit is incomplete and therefore bulb does not light up. If the key is closed, then the electric circuit will be complete and current will flow through the circuit and the bulb will glow. This diagram shows the direction of conventional current. Current always flow from higher electric potential to lower electric potential, that is from positive terminal to negative terminal, and electrons always flow from negative terminal to positive terminal of a cell. In a transistor radio, 2-3 dry cells are seen to be connected in series. The purpose of doing this is to obtain more potential difference than that of a single cell. Therefore, it is possible to obtain higher current. If the cells are connected as seen in figure 4.5b, the connection of cells is known as battery of cells. So, in this diagram, 4 cells are connected in series and such a combination is called as battery. Battery is connected in the circuit so as to get higher potential difference, which in turn gives higher current. In this series combination, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of second cell and the positive terminal of second cell is connected to the negative terminal of third one. Therefore, if each cell has potential difference of 1 volt and if there are 4 cells in series, then the total potential difference of 4 cells will be 4 volt. If there are 3 cells having 1 volt potential difference each, then the total potential difference of 3 cells will be 3 volt. Now we will see magnetic effect of electric current. A magnetic needle is indeed a magnet. You have seen that the magnetic needle changes its direction when a bar magnet is taken near the magnetic needle. Also, you have observed that the magnetic needle changes its direction when a current starts flowing in the circuit. This means that magnetic field is created when electric current flows in a wire. Hans Christian Ørsted made this observation first. Briefly, we can say that when an electric current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is produced around the wire. So, in order to get the concept clearly, one activity has to be done like this. You can do it at home, but for that you need a magnetic needle. Take a tray of used up matchbox and keep a small magnetic needle inside it. Then take a long connecting wire and wind it around the tray. Complete the electric circuit by connecting in it this wire, electric cell and plug key and bulb as shown in this diagram. Then mark down the position of magnetic needle. Then bring a bar magnet near to the magnetic needle. You will see that when you bring the bar magnet near to the magnetic needle, the needle will show deflection. Then when you keep the key closed, you will see that the bulb will light up. Means the current has started flowing through the electric circuit. And now observe that whether the magnetic needle has changed its position or not. Magnetic needle will show deflection. Why is it so? When the electric current flows through the wire, magnetic field is generated, and this induced magnetism will change the direction of magnetic needle. So when electric current passes through a electric circuit, magnetic field is produced around the conducting wire, and this has been observed by scientist Hans Christian Ørsted. Watch this video carefully in order to understand the magnetic effect of electric current.
Children, I am going to show you today an experiment which demonstrates magnetic effect of electric current. The experimental setup is shown this way. A magnetic needle is kept on a support and these two electric wires are around it, and these connections are made like this. Positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of battery and negative is attached to negative terminal of a battery. Now, when no current flows, if I bring the bar magnet near this magnetic needle, it will show deflection. When electric current flows through the circuit, see here, magnetic needle shows deflection. How did this happen? Because due to flow of current, here magnetism is induced, and this magnetism is temporary in nature. It will remain as long as the current flows through the circuit. If I close the switch, then no deflection is seen.
So we will see next part in next video.